Our story begins with Shenzhen Madic Home Products Company Limited. From 2003. Since then we had specialized in whiteboards for more than 21 years. In order to meet the largely increasing demands of our various whiteboards, we moved to the modern industry park, was built by ourselves in 2022 and named as Huizhou Madic Technology Company Limited. It located in the high-tech industrial park of Huizhou. Our dry erase whiteboard series are including dry erase magnetic whiteboards, dry erase non-magnetic whiteboards, dry erase labboards, cork bulletin boards, fabric bulletin boards, combo boards, memo boards, glass boards, blackboards, green boards, easel. Our factory is covering an area of over 30,000 square meters and has about 100 advanced machines and equipments, over 150 skilled workers. Due to competitive pricing, consistent good quality, on-time delivery and excellent services, our products enjoy a good reputation in the international markets and have been best-selling more than 30 countries, especially in United States, Europe, Japan. Our clients are including not only the traditional distributors, retailers, but also Amazon sellers. Our factory passed the SEDEX BSCI audit. The objective of quality first, reputation based, is our rule from the birth of Shenzhen Madic Home Products Company Limited. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business with you.